Okay, let's build a little Ajax application using jQuery. So here I have a very simple page. It doesn't do anything right now. Let's look at the source code here. So this is the source code for that page. You see, I'm loading my jQuery right here. Then I am loading this script.js, which right now has nothing. Then I am printing out the title, and I have this little comment field and a button. That doesn't do anything, right? It's not a button, it's a paragraph right now. So, and here is my main page handler. And you see I'm setting the title, and I am displaying it. I have a get and a post on slash, and the post just says got it, doesn't do anything right now. So what I want to do is I want to be able to click on this, right? If I click on it, the user can type in a comment, I click on it, and we send that comment back to the server using an XHR request. So an XHR request, spelled like XHR, right, is the XML HTTP request, right, which you'll see is just a get or a post or a put or a delete with an extra header. So let's do that. So what I'm going to do is I'm right here. First, let's do the button part. So I want, when the user clicks on the button, I want to do my send my message. So I'm going to need to enable that. So document dot ready function, and I'm going to say no $. When the user clicks on, what was it? My button, and when the user clicks on it, I want to, call handle click. So, and then I'm going to need to implement my function handle click. And let's just say, just make sure this works. Clicked, right? So I go back here, I reload the page, I gotta go to the console, I'm gonna click here and it says clicked. Okay, that's working. So back. Now what I want to do here is I want to send an Ajax request with whatever the user typed in. First of all, what the user types in is going to be here on the comment, right? So I'm going to call that the text, var text equals, I'm going to grab that hash comment, and dot val is what you use to get the value of whatever the user typed in. I can move that here, console log text, right? So we can see that. Reload. Hello. Click. User type hello. Okay, that's working. Now to actually send it, we're going to use the .ajax. Right? And this is all very well documented in, of course, the jQuery documentation. If you go here, you click on Ajax on the jQuery docs, it'll take you here. And so when you see this jQuery.ajax, jQuery is the $. Just replace that with a $, or you can write the full jQuery. So this is the main one. There's shortcuts down here you can use, but I'm just going to use the main one. And you see it says jQuery Ajax takes a URL and then some settings. And then the settings are right here. The settings is a set of key value pairs that can configure the request. So this is very common. The settings is a JSON object, and you see this in jQuery does this a lot. A lot of libraries do that a lot. The second argument is, or sometimes the first argument to a method is a JSON object. So let's see how that works. So the first one is the URL that we want to send our Ajax request to. So remember, an Ajax request is just going to be a get or a put or a delete or update. So we're going to need a JSON object here, like that. and we're gonna say I'm gonna go to the slash. We're gonna do and go to the slash, and my method is posed in the way jQuery uses the key of